We all have done several types of endless diets and complicated workouts that promise fat loss but never quite deliver. And here's a surprising truth. The key to burning fat is simpler than you think. It doesn't require a gym membership, fancy equipment, or intense routines. In fact, all you need is something you do every day. In this video, we're diving into why walking is one of the most effective, natural ways to lose fat and boost your health. We'll explore how specific strategies like timing, pace, and even adding weight can make your daily walks the most powerful fat-burning sessions. Welcome to Levitas. Walking is a fantastic, low-impact way to burn fat, and it doesn't require special training or a fitness background. When we walk, our bodies utilize fat as the primary sources of fuel. This happens particularly during lower-intensity, prolonged activities. Unlike intense exercise that primarily burns carbohydrates for fuel, moderate-paced walking taps into stored fat reserves, making it a sustainable fat-burning practice for anyone. As you walk, your body uses energy to move muscles and maintain stability, all of which contribute to burning calories. Additionally, walking improves blood circulation, which supports metabolism and helps your body process and eliminate waste products more efficiently. Walking also positively affects hormones like insulin, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent fat storage, particularly around the belly area. Furthermore, regular walking supports lean muscle retention, which keeps your metabolism active and aids in burning more calories even while you rest. By simply walking more often, you can significantly increase your calorie expenditure, improve insulin sensitivity, and encourage your body to use stored fat as a consistent fuel source. So, should you walk fasted or after eating? Walking in a fasted state, typically before breakfast, can enhance fat burning even further. When you walk fasted, and principally if your body has depleted its carbohydrate stores from the last meal, it turns to stored fat as the primary energy source. This shift to fat for fuel can be especially beneficial for people aiming to lose weight, as the body becomes more efficient at using fat reserves. Fasted walking also taps into hormonal mechanisms that promote fat loss. During a fasted state, insulin levels are naturally lower. Since insulin is a storage hormone, low levels encourage the body to mobilize fat rather than store it. Furthermore, fasted walking has been shown to boost human growth hormone, which supports lean muscle preservation and fat burning, both of which are essential for achieving a toned physique without muscle loss. Walking fasted is a powerful, very easy to implement strategy for fat loss, and it's gentle enough to perform regularly, without the strain that other high-intensity fasted workouts might cause. Timing your walks can enhance fat-burning effects, with morning and post-dinner being the most beneficial periods for maximizing fat loss. Morning walks, particularly on an empty stomach, easily tap into fasted, fat-burning benefits. In the morning, as we already mentioned, insulin levels are typically low, which primes the body to use fat as fuel. Morning light exposure also regulates circadian rhythms, which helps balance hormones that impact metabolism, like cortisol and melatonin. An evening walk, particularly after dinner, can also support fat loss by aiding digestion and reducing blood sugar spikes from your last meal. This helps prevent the body from storing excess calories as fat and boosts metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even while at rest. Additionally, evening walks can help lower stress levels and reduce cravings, which might otherwise lead to late-night snacking. By incorporating a regular walking routine, in the morning, evening, or even better, both, you can leverage your body's natural rhythms to support steady, consistent fat loss. So, the next main question is, how much should you walk? The magic number of 10,000 to 12,000 steps a day isn't just a fitness trend, it's based on the calorie-burning effects needed to create a meaningful impact on fat loss. This range, which amounts to roughly 5 to 6 miles for most people, is an achievable and effective goal for those looking to lose fat. Walking this amount each day can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories depending on your pace and body weight, which, over time, helps create the calorie deficit necessary for fat loss. Additionally, aiming for 10,000 to 12,000 steps encourages you to incorporate more movement into your day, improving cardiovascular health, muscle tone, and even mood. By consistently hitting this step count, you build a habit of daily activity, which boosts metabolic rate and increases overall energy expenditure. Not only does this support fat loss, but it also contributes to better long-term weight maintenance and overall health. Tracking your steps can be a simple and motivating way to ensure you're moving enough to reach your fat loss goals without relying on intense workouts. Walking 12,000 steps may sound like a lot, but it's manageable with a bit of planning. For most people, 12,000 steps can take about 60 to 120 minutes of total walking, depending on pace and terrain. Breaking this into smaller sessions, such as 2 45-minute walks or 3 30-minute walks throughout the day, makes it easier to achieve without feeling overwhelmed. Pace also plays a role in optimizing fat loss. A moderate to brisk pace, roughly 3 to 4 miles per hour, or equivalent to 15 to 20 minutes per mile, is ideal for fat burning. At this pace, you're working hard enough to elevate your heart rate, but not so intensely that you rely on carbohydrates for energy, allowing your body to access stored fat efficiently. Walking briskly also helps maintain muscle tone, which supports a higher resting metabolic rate. Adopting a mix of paces, starting with a warm-up, increasing to brisk walking, and cooling down, can also maximize fat-burning benefits while keeping your routine easy and interesting. By committing to 12,000 steps at a comfortable, brisk pace, you can make walking a powerful tool for sustainable fat loss. So, you already started walking every day and you want to improve your results? Walking with added weights, such as weighted vests, ankle weights, a heavy backpack, or handheld dumbbells, can significantly boost fat loss by increasing the intensity and calorie-burning potential of your walk. When you add weight, your muscles and cardiovascular system must work harder to maintain your pace, meaning you burn more calories within the same time frame compared to regular walking. Extra weights help engage your core and lower body muscles more effectively, supporting both strength and endurance. To use weights safely, start with light weights, around 5 to 10% of your body weight for a vest or backpack, or 1 to 2 pounds for ankle weights. Avoid wrist or ankle weights that might strain your joints or affect your natural walking form. Wearing a weighted vest is often the safest option, as it distributes the extra weight more evenly, reducing the risk of injury. If you are new to walking, begin with shorter walks, around 10 to 15 minutes, to get accustomed to the extra load, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Adding weights occasionally can keep your body challenged and prevent plateauing, making your walking routine a more efficient fat-burning and strength-building activity over time. In conclusion, walking is one of the simplest yet most effective tools for sustainable fat loss, providing a low-impact workout that uses fat as a primary fuel source while preserving lean muscle. Engaging in moderate-paced walking encourages the body to tap into stored fat reserves, boosts circulation, and positively impacts hormones that support fat loss and metabolism. Fasted walking enhances this effect, allowing the body to easily turn to fat for fuel when carbohydrate stores are low, while specific times, like morning and evening, further optimize results by aligning with our body's natural rhythms. Reaching 10,000 to 12,000 steps daily creates a calorie deficit crucial for fat loss, building a habit of consistent activity that also improves overall health. Finally, adding light weights can elevate the intensity of your walk, activating more muscles and burning additional calories, all while keeping your routine varied and challenging. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.